Alright, hello everyone. This is SEMO-MAC coming to you with a product review that I have just picked up. I've had it for about a couple months now. This is from Harbor Freight. It is the Predator 350 Power Station. I actually ran across this. Was kind of wanting a small power station. Kind of really, I'm just going to be completely transparent with everyone. That's the way I like to do things. I did pay for this out of my own pocket, but I did not give the $280 for the normal price for it. This was an actual open box pickup that I got for sub 150. So I figured for that price, I'd go ahead and pick it up and give it a try. So far, it's pretty good. There is a lot more out there for the price. I know you can get other brands for probably roughly around 100 to about 145, 150 for the same wattage. This actually thing, yeah, I mean, it's for what it is, it's good. I mainly use it to charge up my cordless batteries. It does that very well. We'll run through some features that it has on it. So we'll get this turned on. So as you can see, I'm setting at 100. I've got this thing turned on. I've got it charged. Comes with two AC adapter or AC plug-ins. Those are 120. I have tested those and they do test out to right at 115, 120 volts. So that's a good thing. You also have your DC right here for your cigarette. You got your USB-C, two USB-A's. For these to actually work, turn them on. It'll actually give your readout. This play's not bad. It'll give you your time span of how long it'll take to empty the actual battery, what your wattage is when you have something plugged into it. So I mean, everything pretty much works as it should. This thing is built like a little tank. It is very put together very well. I have rolled it a couple times and it is still working. So you know, all in all, not so bad. The good thing, it does come with a 5-year warranty, and per the manager at my Harbor Freight, even though this was an open box, I still get the 5-year warranty on it. So that's pretty good. That's probably one of the better warranties that's actually out there on the market for this little power station. You can charge it up 3 ways: your regular AC, and you also have a DC input. Here is, move back here a little bit. You get your plug in for your DC, or for your AC, excuse me. Here is for your DC, cigarette lighter, plug straight into the back. And you also have solar panel. I currently don't have one, but I plan on getting one, and I'm going to try it out and see how long it takes to actually charge. I will tell you, when I picked this up, the charge on it was about 89%. I actually, from where I was, the Harbor Freight I was at the time was roughly about probably 45 minutes from my house. So from that 45 minutes with the DC, the car charger, it took from 89% to 100%. It took that full 45-minute trip. But by the time I got home, it actually did charge. I mean, it was fully charged. I was out here the other day using it to charge some of my batteries. I'd actually ended up charging about 6 of my batteries. It dropped it down to 64%, and with that being said, I plugged it back up the other night to charge it back up to 100%. From 64% to 89%, it took roughly an hour. And then from 89% to 99%, it took about close to an hour. And then it took another 45 minutes to actually charge it from 99% to 100%. And that's going to have to say that is one of the biggest cons that's about this little power station. Charge time, for the price these are at $280, you can actually get some that are with more power to them, a 600 watt. I've actually seen some 800 watts actually going for that price or a little bit cheaper. I know you can get a Petron right now running $189. That's a regular price for it, and it's a 600 watt, and it is highly recommended. So that's one thing that I'm going to look at, kind of do a running test with them to see how they do. But all in all, would I buy this again? At the price I paid for it, yeah, I would. Especially for what I do with it. I take it out on the property where we hunt at. I charge my tools with it. I run a few little things. I charge my phone, stuff like that. So for what it is, it does what it's supposed to do. Can it be better? Yes. But it's all up to you. It's up to you if you would like, you know, depending on what your need is. If your need is to just mainly do what I do and charge up your batteries for your power tools, then it's great for that. But for the price, like I said, if you can get it cheaper than that, it would be better. So yeah, let me know what you think. If you like content like this, just let me know in the comments. And if you don't mind, I'd greatly appreciate it if you subscribe and hit that bell down there, and I'll have another review coming for you later on about some other things that I have. Y'all have a great day.